And like anything, any new physical activity that you're learning, it can help you with posture. Like are you like there are so many different activities you can do for exercise, right? But like your posture is really important. Even if you're weightlifting, like your posture is so that you don't hurt yourself. Hi everyone, my name is Apoorva Mishra. I'm an AI consultant.
Hi, I am Anand, her father.
And this series is about teaching AI to my parents. Till now, we have covered what is AI, what are AI models, what are the different tools out there, and what are the different use cases you can use these tools for. In the last couple of videos, we talked about the different modalities. You can use these models for images, you can generate images with them, you can edit images with them, you can obviously use them for text. And today we want to focus on video. So we would be analyzing video instead of generating video. So we'll be using Gemini to analyze a video. So this is what the Gemini interface looks like. So you can add a video file by just upload files. I have a bunch of examples, but also like if you want, you can also add from Drive. So if you have something, any video like saved on your Google Drive, you can just add it from there directly. So in my case, I'm just uploading a file. So let me upload this file. This is me and my mom actually playing in the pool. And I can just say, can you analyze this video? Let me play the video for everybody. There's audio as well. My mom is laughing. So that's the audio. So it shows this video captures a lighthearted and joyful moment between two women in a swimming pool. The setup, the splash, the aftermath, observations, technical note, floating on one's back requires. So it's like it analyzed the video. It's telling us like what happened in the video. Is there I can also, I don't know. Yeah, it did mention that we were laughing. Okay, this is good. Like I wanted to ask it about audio. So it's like analyzing the audio as well as the video. It's not just one thing.
And I think it is taking care of the technical part also regarding floating and all.
Yeah. So
Technical notes and
it,
whatever the
it
activity is being performed.
yeah, it's pretty amazing that way. So you can get more technical. Like the other day, like we were talking about how my mom, his wife, is not walking correctly. Like we were talking about that. So I have a video of my mom walking in the corridor. It's from a security camera, and like we can ask it to analyze the gait. Can you analyze the gait of the person in the video? While it's doing that, let me play the video for you. So that's my mom. That's it. So that's the video. It's actually longer, and it's like a 1 minute 56-second video, and it's able to analyze that. So it's saying analyze and gauge through the security footage. It knows that's a security footage. I didn't say anything. Stance and balance, arm swing, foot strike, individual one. Oh, I think there are two people in the video. Let me see. The video was long. I didn't even check. Oh, there is one more person in the video. There's one more person in the video. It like analyzed that as well. So if you think about it, like people keep saying about prompt engineering, how you have to be very specific, give it as many details, but the models have come such a long way. Like if I just say, can you analyze the gait of the person in the video, it figured there are two individuals and let me do it for both of them and like analyze the gait for the both of them. Stance phase 60% when the foot is on the ground, swing phase 40 when the foot is in the air. How do you understand the gait cycle? Exhibits a slightly shortened stride length. Can it make sense? My mom is shorter. There is side to side shift in the center of gravity, which we keep telling her about. A compensatory movement for hip or lower back discomfort. Swing is restricted in the right arm.
It can have a lot of utility for medical examination and all that way.
Yeah. Much faster. So this individual is my husband actually. So and he's younger. So it kind of makes sense. There's a slight trunk lean forward. They have a narrow base of so yeah. And you're right. I see a lot of applications for these AI models in sports. Like you can analyze like people use it for training. So like how you're jumping when you're throwing the basketball, it can help you with that.
Various
So like
postures and
yeah,
angle, etc.
exactly. So while training, as well as when a match is going on, it can like judge each player. So there is a lot of application of this in the sports field.
Yeah, gymnastic and all, even diving, shaving, etc. A lot of analysis as well as that judgment and all what the judges have to do can be taken care of through all these videos.
Exactly. So that's that. And also like it's getting used in like, think about it, yoga, Pilates. And like anything, any new physical activity that you're learning, it can help you with posture. Like are you like there are so many different activities you can do for exercise, right? But like your posture is really important. Even if you're weightlifting, like your posture is so that you don't hurt yourself. So it's helping people out there. And think about it that way. Like earlier, you had to hire a personal trainer or somebody who can help you, which costs a lot. Not everyone can afford that. And now it has become more cost effective. Like you can just use these applications which are using these AI models in the background, and it can like analyze you every step of the way, helping you. Okay, you have the right posture. You were doing this right. You weren't doing this correctly. Your hip needs to be a certain way. Blah blah. It can help you with that. That's like anything to do with like exercise and sports. And also there are applications in the medical field as well, like you were saying, but it needs a lot of like proprietary data, and there are models that are still under development in that.
Even for the analyzing various CCTV coverages required by security agencies, especially after some incidents or accident, then they are required to go through various CCTV coverages
Yeah.
and analyze them and all. So it must be quite helpful for them
Yeah.
because they've got lots and lots of coverage and lots of video recording. So it is humanly not possible. So by doing this thing, they are able to correlate various. If same one person is at various videos at various location, all it can straight away give the analysis.
Exactly. I like how you're exploring all the different use cases. So it was being used in factory earlier, like trying to figure out like what's happening with the different products on the line, how that's going. So it was used in factories. It's still getting, obviously it's getting better now. Used in factories, used inside shops and malls. It also helps like detect shoplifting and how different workers are performing inside like different shops. Like, okay, there is a barista in the coffee shop. How many coffee cups did they work on? Like in 1 hour, how many coffees did they make? So like stuff like that for worker productivity, also to check if like if it's safe or not, shoplifting, is the product getting made correctly or not in the factories? So like stuff like that. And also, you know what? There's another use case. Have you heard of Be My Eyes? So Be My Eyes is, let me share my screen again. So Be My Eyes. It's basically a free application for people with blindness or like low vision. It connects them with people who have vision. So like if they're, for example, I went to buy milk, right? I am looking for something lactose free, but I don't know which one is lactose free. I can call somebody who has vision, and like I can switch on the video and they can look at it and tell me, okay, the one on the top shelf, the second from the right is the correct one. Okay, so I was actually volunteering for this at one point, and now they have something called Be My AI, I think. Be My AI. What it does is like you don't even need a human anymore. You can take a picture and like send it to a person, or like in real time upload these videos to these AI models, and they can like give you a description, and you can listen to the description, or like not read the, sorry, listen to the description and actually figure out what the AI model is saying. Okay, the one on the top shelf, the one from the second from the right is the one which is lactose. So instead of they connecting you to a human and like waiting for someone to respond to that volunteer call, switching on the video, showing the video to them, there's
No wonder.
an AI replacing the volunteer and helping you with that.
So that means they are self-contained for all these things.
Yeah. So I feel like there are so many of these applications. We keep talking about how it's like replacing jobs and what's going to happen with people if we don't need so many people working on these different jobs. Think about all the positive impact it has people who need assistance in their day-to-day life.
Surely.
Anybody, like if you have low vision or if you're blind, like every single day you need help with something.
It will
You're
reduce the
dependent.
handicap of at least blind people by, if I'm not wrong, by more than 50%.
Being dependent on someone nobody likes, and it's so nice, like these technologies, like they give you a sense of feeling independent,
Yeah.
which is amazing. Like everybody needs to deserve that feeling. I hope you find it useful as well. Please check Gemini out. It's pretty amazing with videos. And thank you so much for hanging out with us. Yeah, please like, share, subscribe, share it with someone who would find it useful. And please leave us a comment on anything you want us to cover, anything with the new tools and technology, any use cases you want to figure out. We will love to cover that. And thank you so much for hanging out with us. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.